How is it going, everyone? My name is Willie G, or Will, and welcome to day 15 of Will vs Europe. As I mentioned yesterday, it was meant to be thunderstorms and all horrible and everything, but it doesn't seem to be that way. I mean, that's a pretty ugly cloud over there, but look, it's almost fully blue sky. I mean, it has rained, down here, and then you look at the roads as well. It's definitely rained, but it's not a storm. So now I'm kind of stuck between, because I had this video idea where I'd show you guys what to do in a storm if you're at a hostel, where I was going to go cook a meal, to go to the gym, do my washing, you know, real fun stuff. But I don't know, I might go out today, I'm not sure. I'll have to see what the weather's saying, but yeah, I will get back to you once I decide. Well, I've just had a coffee and now I'm on my way to the gym. So I didn't show the coffee because it was really busy. So yeah, here we go. Well guys, in our pretty limited gym that we have here, I've decided we're going to do chest. Obviously, because this is the only solid thing here, this bench press. But what I don't like is how close grip it is, but I will adapt and overcome. So yeah, I'll get it set up. Well, we got to warm up first, so let's get our warm up on. We are going to start with, let's see, what's already on there? Yeah. I'm guessing this bar's 10, because it's a bit too small to be a 20, so that's just 5 at the moment. We don't really want that. See how wide I can grab it, because I really don't like how close it is. Okay, so we've got 60 on it now, so I mean, I hope I can do this, because that'd be quite embarrassing if I can't. Tell I'm a bit out of practice. That was a lot heavier than it usually is. My camera just fell off where it was, and then it has something called gimbal fall protection, so that's really cool. But I think I'm going to put it up here now. It seems a lot safer. I don't really know how you're meant to use these things. It seems like the correct way. Whoa, whoa, okay. I should probably stop doing that before I pop it or something. Okay, so let's do some skull crushes, or whatever, I can't remember what these are called, but here we go. Okay, this is too heavy. I like it. Here we go. I think you guys get the idea with the whole gym thing. I can't really be bothered to do anymore, I'm too hungry. I am going to go get changed and then hit up the kitchen and we'll do a little cooking tutorial. Like I said, I was gonna go cook some pasta in the like kitchen area, but there was so many people up there. I don't know what was going on, but there was all the kitchen bits were taken. It was just absolutely insane. So I'm walking to a restaurant now called the Old Port, and it's like a restaurant that looks out onto the whole, like where all the boats are. So that'd be quite nice. I don't really know what they do. I don't really look at what they do, but I'm gonna definitely check it out. So, and also the weather's, look, it's definitely not a stormy day, so we are just going to walk over there now and I will show you when we're there. It seems to be a common trend wherever I go that it just looks really, really nice. I mean, look at, I think this is the uni that's here, the university, because there's a big entrance over that way as well. Yeah, it looks, this is so, I don't even know, this looks really cool down here. I think it might be like an open day at the uni or something, because there's loads of people going into it and getting information. But yeah, I keep seeing these like dark alleyways. There's the way smaller ones, and I was told to avoid those because apparently, I don't know. But then again, I wasn't going to walk into them anyway. Well, look at this. It's a cool looking building. But everyone's just going into these like massive buildings for university or something. But yeah. Oh look, there's another dark alleyway. I'm not going down there, even though that one's like clear. It's still a bit scary. I was on the way to the restaurant and then I just saw a huge pirate ship, so I was walking over there. And then I saw Goku. on his Nimbus cloud. And I was like, wow, this is this is awesome. I mean, it's Goku in real life. It's an honor to meet him. Let's fist bump him. Yeah, awesome. All right, let's keep going to this pirate ship. I found the pirate ship. It's pretty huge. I also am just gonna sit in the car park, but yeah, this is massive. I don't know what pirate ship it is, but yeah, it's got some cool dudes on the front. But yeah, I'm gonna go back over to that restaurant now because I am so hungry, especially after my intense gym workout earlier. So I'm gonna get some pasta, I think. Guys, I've just ordered and I've got some linguini with mussels and clams. That's quite nice. But look at this seat. Look at this view I've got. We've got this whole port and the water's literally right there. It's really nice. I mean, it's quite polluted, but it's still a nice colour. You go all around and then you get a nice, huge view of the town. It's absolutely amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this food when it comes because I am very hungry. Got a boat coming in here. I mean, it's a pretty smoky looking boat. It's also kind of tipping up. That's spewing a lot of smoke. Wonder what they're doing. But yeah, we've got, obviously I ordered a beer because why would I not? I think this is their own one, so let's try it and see how good it is. Ooh. That's one of the better ones I've had away. We've also got like some toast and loads of bread. So let's try this toast first. That's toast. I mean, I wish I got some butter or something, but I think the bread's just gonna taste like bread. Yeah, I'm waiting for my pasta. I'm so excited. And here it is. I mean, I'm just looking at the size of this mussel in here. And I'm getting excited. Yeah, let's get a spoonful together. So we have a mussel in there as well. I don't know if you can see it, but let's go. That is good. I'm going to enjoy those. Because I am absolutely stuffed. I thought I was alright and I stood up and now I'm so full. But I'm going to head back to the hostel. I'm not sure what I'll be doing because the weather's kind of taken a turn. I don't know if you can see behind me. So I think it actually might start raining soon. I might go down to the arcade bit once this food goes down because I'm stuffed. But yeah, I can check out the arcade machine. But yeah, if not, I'll do the outro in a second. But I probably will go check out because I saw the basketball thing and that looked really, really fun. So, well, guys, I came down to the game room to do some gaming or play some basketball, whatever. But I don't have any Euro coins, so I guess I'm not doing that. I'm just going to wait for my washing, which is in, and I'm probably just going to end the video here. Tomorrow I am going to be in Milan and I'm meeting my dad, so we'll have an extra person there. That would be really fun. We're in Milan for a few days. We're going to Lake Como at some point, and then we are then going to Venice, which will be awesome, just outside of Venice. And then, yeah, I won't spoil the rest of the journey, but yeah, that's the plan for when I meet my dad. But thank you guys very much for watching. I know this video was a bit random, but yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much. See ya.